So every now and then you get a tech product that you feel like you've known virtually forever. But here's something I've learned after a few weeks with the Lenovo Smart Display. Google Assistant is great, yeah, but putting a screen on it makes it so much better. And the Lenovo Smart Display might not be the only thing like this with a screen, but I tell you, it's easily hands down the best one I've used so far. But you don't just have to take my word for it, okay? I've got some familiar faces to help tell this tale. Now, if you've not already seen the full Modern Dad video on the Lenovo Smart Display, go watch it. But here again are the basics. So we're looking at essentially what is a Google Home with a screen, okay? Either an 8-inch display for $200 or a 10-inch display for $250. Now, if you're gonna put the Lenovo Smart Display in a small space, by all means, get the 8-inch model. It'll suit you just fine. But if you've got some room to spare, I tell you, the 10-inch model, even better. You really can't go wrong with either one though, and both are gonna look great in your home. Now, the Lenovo Smart Display is one of the first with Android things. Think Android, only without all the phone stuff and without a launcher. It means it'll get updated, it'll get security improvements, it'll get better, it'll get smarter. It's always on and it's always connected. I tell you what, let's have the other guys show you a few things. And let's start, as many of us do every morning, with the news.
Okay, the news itself isn't necessarily any better, but now, instead of relying on just an audio-only briefing, you can get your news in video form.
And you've got a bunch of options here for video. CNN, Reuters, The Today Show, CNBC, Cheddar, Bloomberg, and a ton of local news offerings too, if you're in a bigger city. And we'll certainly see more added over time. It's maybe not quite as up to the minute, because this video stuff is hard, and it takes time. And look, there's nothing wrong with getting the news via voice. It's still great. But getting visuals along with it, well, it's great to have the option. There's just no question that you can do things with video news that you just can't on radio.
Another thing that's way better when you can actually see it, recipes. And maybe not even video, but just being able to visually see an ingredient list as you're going along is a million times better than having to ask for those ingredients over and over again. Especially if, like me, you occasionally have a drink or three while you're cooking. It happens. But the point is that instructional cooking is just one of those things that works. It's the reason we have cookbooks. It's the reason that there are cooking shows. And it's the reason why following a recipe on the Lenovo Smart Display is just better. And remember, even if you don't want one of these prepackaged recipes on the Smart Display, there's a world of YouTube cooking videos just for you. And there's Chromecast for everything else. Is it something that I'm gonna use every day? No, probably not. But it's great to have, especially if I'm trying a recipe for the first time and I wanna get it perfect.
Even music looks better. Wait, what? Yeah, music can look good. I hate having to stop the music when I hear something that's really good. With the Lenovo Smart Display, I have all of that information right in front of me. I have album, band, song right there, and it's great. Now, this is gonna vary a little bit depending on the service that you're using. YouTube Music, for example, gives you all of the information for the song you're listening to now, as well as a look at the next song that you're gonna be listening to. All the services make it easy to see what it is you might want to listen to. There's just something about that suggestion that makes the music experience better. I use Spotify, which is its own animal. There's no denying that having visuals makes the music better. And of course, there's the importance of video itself. YouTube is video, and YouTube is video on the Lenovo Smart Display. You think about it, I can watch Modern Dad videos of the Lenovo Smart Display on the Lenovo Smart Display. It's sold. I can't do that with the Amazon Echo Show. And if you've been holding off on trying YouTube TV, this is the perfect opportunity. It connects really well with the Lenovo Smart Display, and it turns it into a really great kitchen TV display. On the other hand, you might have to kick your kids off of it every once in a while so you can enjoy it for yourself.
And then there's video calling, all right? Google Duo is built into the Lenovo Smart Display, just like it's also built into most Android phones these days. And yeah, you can download it for the iPhone too. All you have to do, tell it to call somebody in your contacts, and it calls whoever's in your contacts. Or they can call you too. And if you're not actively using the camera, the Lenovo Smart Display has this awesome physical shutter feature. You just shut it closed and it can't see anything that's going on, so you don't have to worry about your own security. I tell you, it's brilliant, and it really is something that every single device with a camera needs to have. So that's it for this update on the Lenovo Smart Display. It is absolutely a great buy, especially if you can get the 10-inch model on sale. And video just adds so much to what is already an excellent audio experience with Google Assistant. It is so many times better than just a voice-only speaker. Yeah, go try one, go play with it. And you can get yourself a Lenovo Smart Display pretty much almost anywhere. Online, of course, Walmart, Best Buy, Costco, Sam's Club, places like that. So if you got any more questions on the Lenovo Smart Display, leave them down below in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.